Good afternoon, everybody. We're going to go over our Forex trades for today, Tuesday, October 28th. Today started a two-day Fed meeting, so not a whole lot of action. Announcement is tomorrow by the Fed. No one expects they're going to. They're obviously not going to do anything. They're ending QE. It's all about what they say and what they're seeing going forward. We did have 4 trades today. We lost 0.8 pips, basically flat. We did have some economic numbers that came out that were pretty volatile numbers. Durable good orders came out at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Completely missed estimates. Terrible, terrible number. And then at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, consumer confidence came out, which beat estimates. Completely doesn't make sense how it could beat estimates when durable good orders were so bad. But that's what the government is telling us. Anyway, like I said, we had the 4 trades, 0.8 pips. One trade really hurt us, pure scalping. We'll go over them in a minute. First one here is Euro Canadian dollar. This was a swing trade, which the signal went out yesterday, but we didn't place it because we still have a position in Euro to Australian dollar from yesterday as well, or Sunday evening. We only have a third left of our Euro to Australian dollar because we got stopped out of 2/3 of it. But we didn't put the order on the Euro CAD because the Euro is the lead currency in both the signals, so we were already in the Euro to Australian. So we waited on the Euro CAD with the currency coming in hard from, I believe this was after the consumer confidence number. We treated it as a scalp if it was to get hit. Sure enough, it got hit. We were short here 1.42382. Picked up a quick 7 pips. It came in a little bit harder. It came all the way down to about 25, maybe broke 25 momentarily. We covered at 31.2. So, and you can see the support there. So it was a good area to cover. Obviously, it was definitely the right move. Did we cover a little early? Probably could have picked up an easy 4 more pips, which would have been nice, because then it would have been about 11 pips or so. But unfortunately, we got out where we got out. So we'll take it, 7 pips. It was a struggle all day. US dollar, Japanese yen, you're going to see 3 trades here. First one was a short. Now, you got to see this big red candle here. This is on the 30-minute chart. This big red candle was the 8:30 news of the durable good orders. Our scalping indicator was saying to go short, but if you're short a couple minutes heading into this news and it was to go up, you're going to get smoked on it. You're going to lose more than 20 pips because it's going to move so violently. And if you're looking to short, it's very, very difficult because they widen the spreads and they move them so fast. So we let it come in a little bit, and then we took it short. We took it short 107.777, picked up 3.7 pips real quick. It did break down lower. It came all the way into the 60s. Then it was bouncing, consolidating again on a scalping trade. You're looking at a 5-minute chart. This is a 30-minute chart. Once it took out the low that it set on that spike down from the news, we took it short again. That's the trade that pinched us. We basically shorted the bottom, 107.697. It maybe went in our favor, 1 or 2 pips. I don't even think it was that much. I don't even think it went in our favor. If it did, I didn't see it. It was so quick if it did. And it just reversed on us. It took maybe a half an hour or so, 40 minutes, whatever, and we got stopped out 107.900. Lost 20.3 pips. Then you see it's reversing up, right, and pop. This big pop here was the consumer confidence numbers, which came out better than expected. We didn't believe it, and so we went short up here, 108.11, 108.112. I think it went up to the highest I saw the bid was right around 108.130, maybe just below that. And then it started to pull in. We covered just ahead of the figure, picked up 8.8 pips, and it did pull in harder. It came all the way down into the 90s. It stayed here for quite some time. All these scalp trades, we announced them on our WhatsApp. We announced them in WeChat. So if you're following along, you had all the opportunity, obviously, to make any of these trades. And this is what we call a fade trade. even though the indicator didn't give it to us, and many of you are using the indicator, but even though the indicator didn't give it to us, we announced that what we were doing, and the reason that we were fading it because we didn't believe the consumer confidence numbers. We were more a believer of the uh, durable good orders. We were right momentarily, for a few minutes or whatever. But as you see here over the ensuing hours, it's back up close to where we were short. It's 108.077 right now. So we'd still be in the money, just barely, if you were still shorted. But we announced when we were getting in. We announced where we covered. We even announced that we were thinking it was going to hover around the figure 108 number between 109 and say 108. 108.05 for an hour or so before it makes a decision on where it's going, and that's basically exactly what it did. It consolidated right around that number for maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours or so, and then just started to move up over the last 45 minutes or so. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. 4 trades, lost 0.8 pips. Not great, obviously. Not horrible either. Relatively flat day. This one trade was the trade that pinched us. If you took that out, we'd be up on the day. But those are the things that happen when you're trading. So that's it. We'll wrap it up. If any signals come out, they'll be coming your way. If you're trading now, good luck, and we'll be back tomorrow, assuming we get some action tonight. Tomorrow, Fed day, so we won't be trading in the morning. You don't want to be in a position and something leaks out of the Fed meeting or whatever, and you get hammered. So we'll be looking to trade a little tonight, maybe some scalps and whatnot. I don't know about a swing trade. If we may still even be in our third of euro to Australian dollar, but we'll see how that plays out prior to the Fed meeting. All right, so have a great day, and we'll be back.